In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily see your TikTok watch history, search history, and comments history. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys! So let's get started, and first off, open up TikTok app and then go to your profile page. After that, tap right here at these three lines, then select Settings and Privacy, and that's where we can easily find Activity Center. If we get into it, we'll be able to see our watch history, comment history, and search history. We can tap right here at watch history and it will show us all the videos we have watched on TikTok in chronological order. We can just swipe up to scroll down and it will automatically load more and more videos in that way. If we would like to delete some video from the watch history, we need just to tap at select, then select videos we would like to delete, and then hit at that button. After that, confirm it. As you can see, the videos has just been removed. Also in here we can check our comment history in the same way, and our search history. That's how you can basically check your history on TikTok.